But by then, another thing I want us to look at is, are you ready to be patient for this market structure to play out? Alright, my blessed people, today we'll be talking about market structure trading, and I'll just use less than no time to show you what is market structure trading. Let me just give you an example. Market structure trading is just the cycle of how the market moves, and it's no more than this. Let me give you a very short example. It's not more than this. It's no more than this. You have a break of structure. You still have a break of structure. To the upside, you still have a break of structure. To the upside. Now, from this point, the market refused to break. You now have a shift. You have a market shift at this point. A coach. Then, by the time a market is giving you a shift at this point, you have something here that is called order block, which is like this, like an indecisional candle that we trade on. This should be our point of interest. Meanwhile, YouTube have notified me that 85% of people watching my videos are new viewers and they are not subscribing to my channel. Please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe. And this is my first video in this room, so do well to subscribe by encouraging me, or do well to encourage me by subscribing. Like, and if at all you have any comment from the lightning, from the teaching, please put it down there just to encourage us. We need to back each other and grow together to sell down. Our point of interest to sell. So we are expecting the market to move up to this side. Then we sell. We sell there, then market reverse back. Now market structure is no more than this. Then once it's going up, or once you are looking for buy, you still need to make sure you have change of character to the upside. The upside. Then there will still be an order block here for you to trade. There will still be an order block here. This should be your point of interest to sell up, because you have change of character. So you wait for the market to drive back here, to meet your order block here. Then you buy to the upside. That is just how the market moves. Because before you get a market structure shift, let's say now, for instance, we are on uptrend. Now, before it gets to this level to reverse up, it will still make some inner structure. This is where you guys blow your account, during this inner structure, before it gets to this other block here for you to buy to the upside, so that you can continue your uptrend and to break structure here. I don't know if you understand. Then if at all we are having market structure shift, you will still need to be patient for the market to have inner structure again. For the market to have inner structure, you need to be patient for it to break this, structure here. So once it breaks this, it still break this one, you're having a shift to the downside. So there should be an order block in this place for us to trade. There should be an order block there for us to trade. Inner cycle still continue. Now this inner cycle is what makes you to blow your account. So you still need to be patient and understand the market structure trading, how you can trade and take advantage of the market structure. But when you're talking about market structure, it's no more than this we have discussed here. So do well to understand it. In our next video, we are going to still emphasize on market structure and other FMC strategy you can use to trade. Thank you.